Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on showing the battery status in the menu bar of MacBook and Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. In System Preferences, choose Battery. From the left menu in the battery settings, select Battery again. Enable the checkbox Show Battery Status in menu bar. Your battery percentage will now display in the menu bar of your Mac. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.